Welcome to Like Health. If you're looking for a simple way to enhance your health, you might want to consider adding spinach to your daily diet. This nutrient-packed leafy green is not just versatile and delicious, it's also loaded with benefits that can support your overall wellness. In this video, we'll explore 10 surprising health advantages of eating spinach every day. Trust me, you won't want to miss these insights that could change the way you think about this superfood. Number 1. Nutrient Powerhouse. Spinach is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach contains high amounts of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, and folate. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining healthy skin, boosting your immune system, and supporting proper blood clotting. By incorporating spinach into your daily diet, you're fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Number 2. Supports eye health. Spinach is rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to protect your eyes from harmful light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. These compounds help filter blue light and support overall eye health. Regularly eating spinach can help keep your vision sharp as you age. Number 3. Aids in digestion. Spinach is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and helps prevent constipation. The fiber content adds bulk to your stool, making it easier for your body to eliminate waste. Additionally, the water content in spinach helps keep you hydrated, further supporting digestive health. Including spinach in your meals can lead to a healthier gut. Number 4. Promotes heart health. Spinach is heart healthy thanks to its high levels of nitrates, which have been shown to help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. Additionally, the antioxidants in spinach, such as quercetin and camphorol, can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Incorporating spinach into your daily diet can contribute to better cardiovascular health. Number 5. Boosts bone health. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health by aiding in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. Additionally, spinach contains other essential nutrients like magnesium and phosphorus that support bone strength. Regularly eating spinach can help keep your bones strong and reduce the risk of fractures as you age. Number 6. Enhances skin health. Spinach is packed with vitamins A and C, both of which are vital for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin A helps repair skin tissue and promote cell turnover, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that aids in collagen production, giving your skin elasticity and reducing the signs of aging. Incorporating spinach into your diet can lead to a clearer, more radiant complexion. Number 7. Boosts energy levels. Spinach is a great source of iron, which is essential for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout your body. Adequate iron levels help combat fatigue and improve overall energy. Additionally, the presence of nitrates in spinach can enhance blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles, giving you a natural energy boost for your daily activities. Number 8. Supports weight management. Spinach is low in calories but high in nutrients and fiber, making it an excellent food for weight management. The fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Plus, its high water content adds volume to your meals without adding extra calories. Including spinach in your diet can be a smart strategy for maintaining a healthy weight. Number 9. Strengthens immune function. Spinach is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, particularly vitamin C and beta-carotene, which play a key role in boosting your immune system. These nutrients help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, enhancing your ability to fight off infections and illnesses. By adding spinach to your daily diet, you can give your immune system a natural boost. Number 10. May help prevent chronic diseases. Regular consumption of spinach is associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain cancers. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in spinach help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation throughout the body. By including spinach in your diet, you're taking a proactive step toward long-term health and disease prevention.
We welcome all new subscribers to the channel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Like channel to receive all new updates.